Found wolves! Okay, let's see. Yeah, I found wolves. I want to trap one. No! You can't escape. You're my new purse. Yeah, you probably might jump out. No, don't jump out. No! Hate you. Why? Why? No, why'd you do that? Why'd you get away? Oh god! Yeah, I'm dead. Oh god, you scared me. No. 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 That's in the mini episode. I might die. Yeah, I might die. No. Don't kill me. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh yes. He got over. Whew, that was close. Is he still mad at me? Oh god, yeah, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. I'm gonna run. No. I need a bone. There's a lot of them. Okay, I lost my... Oh, there it is. No! I don't want to get it. No, don't hit me. Don't hit me. I don't know where I'll spawn. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me while I'm sleeping. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. You can't get to my house so hot. You're trapped outside. Where'd you go? You still mad at me? Come on, you got in the way. Get some food. I have no food. I'll just eat some sugar. Nope, I can't eat sugar. I'll sleep. Come on, turn it to nighttime.